ladies and gentlemen. It is very much my honor and privilege to be here this morning. Very excited to have this training activity happening today. And again, as Leah noted, she's very excited to be here. We are very excited to have her here, as well as Jeff Reese, who's her counterpart up in Seychelles. It's been a long engagement effort by our part at the embassy to work with our offices back in Washington to have their presence here. And so it's very exciting and very, I think, a great representation of that success that they're here today with this training, because it was an effort to have them on the ground, and I think that effort is generating results with this training activity. And it is a very important, very timely workshop of investigating and prosecuting complex financial crimes. And I would like to also extend my welcome to the distinguished investigative and prosecutorial personnel from the Financial Intelligence Unit, the Mauritian Police Force, the Mauritius Revenue Authority, the Office of the Director of Public Prosecutions, and the Financial Crimes Commission. Your presence here really underscores the commitment of the Mauritian government, its agencies and offices, its individuals to addressing this issue of financial crimes. And it's also a reflection of the fact that it's an issue that transcends just one agency and really does require the coordination and cooperation among many offices. And so I hope, in addition to the individual skills that you develop here today, that you will take the opportunity to get to know some of your counterparts in the other agencies and offices, and that this also becomes an opportunity to network and build relationships across these agencies, break down silos, break down divisions, and really work together on addressing some really key fundamental challenges when it comes to very complex financial crimes. And this workshop also represents a very significant partnership, a very significant step in the partnership between the United States and Mauritius, aimed at enhancing our collective ability to confront the complexities of financial crimes. And we are very proud to be collaborating with such dedicated professionals as you all here today, and hope that the knowledge shared over the next 5 days will provide you the tools that will be necessary to tackle these kinds of crimes. As I mentioned, financial crimes are quite complex, and they transcend nations. Given the nature of that international aspect, they pose significant risks not only to your economies, but to integrity to institutions globally. And these crimes range from money laundering, corruption, fraud, cyber-enabled offenses, and undermining governance, eroding public trust, and fueling organized crime. That's why workshops like these are critical to building our collective capacity to fight back. And again, I think as referenced earlier, really a very tangible example of how our relationship, the Mauritian-U.S. relationship, and the relationship with other countries in the region really can be built and developed through these very specific steps. And this really is a tangible example of that relationship building. While the objectives of this course are clear and ambitious, the first is that we aim to share with all participants the most advanced investigative techniques that will enhance both your ongoing and future investigations. Financial crimes are rarely simple. They often involve intricate networks, multiple jurisdictions, and a variety of actors. By providing you with the insights from real-world cases, we hope to equip you with the skills necessary to address these complexities. Second, this workshop also offers a unique opportunity to foster interaction and networking among Mauritian agencies. The opportunity to share information, to collaborate on joint investigations is vital in the field. Criminal networks thrive on exploiting gaps in communication between enforcement bodies. Strengthening the interagency cooperation here in Mauritius will ensure that you're better prepared to close those gaps and to confront crime more holistically. Third, we want to demonstrate innovative approaches to tackling multi-subject investigations. Complex financial crimes require both creativity and persistence. The methods used by criminals evolve rapidly, and it's essential that law enforcement's responses evolve just as rapidly. Our experts are drawn from fields such as forensics accounting, digital forensics, legal prosecutions, and they'll share cutting-edge techniques to help you stay ahead of the criminal organizations. Finally, we want to emphasize the value of prosecutors' involvement from the early stages of an investigation. By incorporating prosecutorial insights from the outset, cases can be built more effectively, leading to stronger charges and ultimately to higher conviction rates. The close collaboration between investigators and prosecutors has been a proven strategy that has yielded successful outcomes globally. And we hope to serve Mauritius well in your efforts to fight financial crimes by fostering, again, that close collaboration between the prosecutors and the investigators. This week's program has brought together subject matter experts from the FBI, including special agents, forensic accountants, prosecutors, all with extensive experience in handling complex cases. They'll not only share U.S. best practices, but will also engage with you to understand the specific challenges you face here in Mauritius, ensuring that the solutions we discuss are practical and applicable to your local context. In closing, I encourage each of you to fully engage with the course, share your experiences, and to ask questions. This is not just a workshop, but a platform for collaboration, for learning from one another, and for strengthening the ties between the United States and Mauritius as we work together to fight financial crimes and corruption. Thank you again for the opportunity to say a few words. Wish you the best in the training. I'm very excited this training is happening, and I know it's just one of many other opportunities we'll have to work with Mauritian agencies and to work with you collectively. So thank you all very much for the opportunity to be here.